Hello and welcome. Okay, let's just get it out of the way, address the elephant in the room. I'm wearing a Lakers jersey. Yes, last night was game 5 of the NBA Finals. The Lakers lost, Danny Green happened, shit happens, the ball is down. Let's move on to game 6. Okay? So, welcome to our third unboxing in this channel. And before that, make sure you're always staying safe, wearing your mask and washing your hands like I'm doing right now. Okay, related to wearing a face mask, breathing fresh air is what I have here, an air filter. Okay, just to properly outline today's unboxing video, let's address the why, the when, and the what. As to the why this one, why I got this one. So ever since moving to this place, we've been noticing like indoors, the air is a little stuffy. Our mouth, nose, and throat, our lungs are always itchy. There's some dry cough happening. So it might have been the air we're getting indoors, the air quality, the circulation is not as good as we would have hoped. There's a train station nearby, there's a constant updraft of air, heavy, congested, condensed air. So that is why we decided on getting an air filter for ourselves. Okay, it's from Amazon Prime for $129.99. And there's some tax as well as some dollars off. Okay, but if it's a matter of health, investing in health is never really a bad investment. It will pay us in the future. That is why we are seeing this air purifier. Okay, as to the when and how long, I ordered this online through Amazon Prime on a Tuesday night. It arrived Thursday morning. So less than 48 hours, less than 2 days, it already got here, got delivered. As to the what this product is, it's from a brand called Levoit or Levoit if you want it that way. It's an American company based in Southern California who has been making air purifiers since 2017. This particular model is the Vista 200. It's a true HEPA air purifier. So HEPA, high efficiency particulate air purifier. It purifies the high efficiency particulate air. Okay, I'm just gonna go over the box packaging branding with you guys very quickly, just to give a sense of what to expect from this product. So this is what the display would look like, and it neutralizes 99.97% of airborne allergens, dust, and bacteria. Especially now with the COVID situation, you would want something to really neutralize or at least minimize your risks from harmful air pathogens, bacteria, or whatnot. So 3-stage filtration system. Uses a pre-filter advanced through HEPA filter. It has a timer function, allows the air purifier to run for a certain amount of time, which is good if you want it running while you sleep. You wouldn't really need to be bothered of turning it off. It will automatically turn off after you sleep, if you set it that way. And it has a check filter indicator, 3 fan speeds of low, medium, high, sleep mode, the display screen like what you can see here, and a built-in night light. Offers a soothing glow so you can sleep well. Okay, we'll check that out later once we open it up, plug it into a power source. Okay, a better breath of air. The Vista 200 looks simple, works quietly, and barely takes up any space, but it's effective and refreshing. 172 square feet reach is immediately noticeable. So package contents, it's the air purifier itself, like this one, and a true HEPA filter pre-installed. So that is what I would assume is the item you remove after a while, after it has already been filtered so much. A quick start guide, a user manual, the usual, and some specifications. So power supply, alternating current of 120 volts, 60 hertz, 24 watts power, noise level of 26 to 43 decibels. So to put this into context, and just so we have a better understanding of how low of a sound, how quiet it is. Normal like whispers are 20 to 30 decibels. Normal conversation like how I am right now presenting this to you is 50 decibels. Washing machine, dryers, laundry are 60 to 70. And like a normal sporting event, 100 decibels. So this is on the quiet or low volume side, which is good. And effective range is 172 feet squared or 16 meters squared. From what I remember, my room area, it's 77 square feet, so well under the effective range, which is good. And that's 7.23 meters squared, so under. Weight is 5.2 pounds, 2.4 kilograms. Like it's fairly light the way I'm holding it right now. And dimensions are these: 7.9, 7.9, and 12.9 inches. So a little over 1 feet is the vertical height. Okay, so last one, 3-stage filtration, nylon pre-filter, true HEPA filter, high efficiency activated carbon filter. So 3-stage, so 3 screens to go through to really filter and clean the air circulating. And this air cleaner complies with the Federal Ozone Emissions Limit, ARB certified. So from ARB certified, from what I remember, where I remember seeing that one, it's in cars and zero vehicle emissions. So I would believe it's Air Regulatory Board, what ARB stands for. Okay, so that's it for the packaging, the branding of the air purifier box. Let's actually go into unboxing it. Okay, my trusty Swiss Army knife. Fresh air. And let's see what's inside. So you would have your quick start guide, your user manual, and so the warranty card, as well as contact number to the service center and contact center for the product, the merchandise. Okay, so just the base. So that's everything inside the box. Let's go ahead and actually take a look into this one and plug this thing on. What I really like about this one, there's a lot of air purifiers available online if you look in Amazon. This one is rated well, has a lot of user reviews, and also the aesthetic. It's cylindrical, white, very clean. It's easy to just prop up inside your room. Its white color design is easy to blend it with whatever theme you have or color scheme you have in your room. Alright, let's actually just plug this in. Okay, so it lights up. It's working. That's good. And power button. Okay, so that's the fan. Like, there should be 3 levels of fan speed. Okay. Okay, so this button, clicking the fan again will actually increase the speed. Okay, now we know about that one. How about this one? Okay, so that's the timer. 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. So clicking it again will just set it to indefinite. Just powered on until you switch it off. How about this one? Okay, so this is the night mode. It automatically lowers the volume. What's this? Okay. I actually don't know what this is right now. I'll know later. It's not as intuitive. Okay, so this is the night light. Night light. And another button, which I don't know right now. Alright, let's put it to 2 hours and fan speed. Okay, if you can actually hear, if you can hear it the same way I can, so this is the lowest volume, middle, so it can actually sound a little noisy, but it should still be bearable. For me, I would just maybe put it on the lowest speed. Alright, let's see how it looks like on. Okay, so this is your air filter. Airflow will go down, and this device will clean and cleanse the air circulation in your room. Levoit air filter. Okay, so this isn't a sponsored video. I wish it was, but I had to really shell out some of my own personal money to get this one. Again, investment in your health is really not a bad investment. That will basically wrap up this unboxing video. I hope I've gotten to share with you what this is, its products, features, what it looks like, how it operates. Okay, so if you haven't done it already, just leave a comment, ask for questions. I'll try to answer whatever they may be. Leave a like in this video. I enjoy making this content. I enjoy sharing them with you. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there will be a lot more unboxing videos in the future. So thank you, and peace out. Hello? 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 Okay, just to get it out of the way and address the elephant in the room right away. Yes, I'm wearing a Lakers jersey, and the Lakers. Hello, welcome. Okay, just to get it out of the way and address the elephant in the room. I'm wearing a Lakers jersey. Hello and welcome. Let's just get it out of the way and address the elephant in the room. Yes, I'm wearing a Lakers jersey. The Lakers just lost last night to the Heat. It sucks. The ball is round. What Danny Green happened, and it sucks. Let's just move on. Okay.